Hello everyone. Now we will know about the concept that one is a message integrity and message authentication. Message integrity, that one is a concept. Message integrity means what? When the allies send a message to Bob, right? And allies send a message as a hi, right? Allies send a message to a Bob as a hi, but Bob received as a bye. That one is the situation we can say that message integrity is not maintained because of message is high but it received as a bye, then message integrity is not maintained, right? If particular user send a message as a hi and the Bob received as it is as a hi, then we can say that the message integrity is maintained. If the particular message at the time of traveling through a network it modified, then message integrity is not maintained. Message integrity, that is simple concept behind the message integrity. Then message authentication is different than the message integrity again. How? Because of message integrity is about the message, what exact the message contain, or what exact the message sent and what exact the message received. Message authentication means the message sent by allies and that one is received by Bob. That message authentication is a allies sent this hi, Bob received hi, it's okay, no problem, but this hi is sent by the allies only, not someone else. That's called as a message authentication. We will know about the message integrity checking process mechanism and the message authentication mechanism, how exact it verifies. Now this is simply the way to check the message integrity. That one is with a new example. We will go with the message integrity. The message integrity verification done with the hash function. Now what is the hash function? Hash function is an algorithm. If we give the input as a message, we give an input to the hash function as our whole message of the size of considering as a 1024 bits, it generates a fixed output with the hash function. This algorithm generates a fixed output with a 120 bits. Okay, the input is varying in a size. It may be a 1024 or it may be a 10,000 bits, right? 10,000 bits, but whatever the input of a message size, the output is ultimately the same. 128 bit means 128 bit. This 128 bit is called as the message digest. Okay, message digest or the hash value. Okay, hash value, which one is generated or created by the hash function. Okay, this hash value, okay, everyone knows about hash value. The particular hash value which one is generated by this is the message, then this message is gives to the input to the hash function. Hash function is algorithm which one is generated the fixed output, that is message digest or the hash value, okay, of a fixed size. Then this message and this hash value sent to the second user, the particular message and this hash value sent to the second user. Consider this one is done by the allies, and this one is done by the Bob. This one is done by the Bob side. Okay, now when the Bob received the message and hash value, again Bob gives the input to the same hash function, whatever the hash function type is or the algorithm name is, and generate its own hash value. It generates its own hash value, received hash value, and newly generated hash value. If both are equal, then we can say that this message is not modified, or the message integrity is maintained. This is actual the message and message digest with a hash function. And the particular message and message digest means a hash value. We can say that the hash value means the message digest. It's okay, it's a similar thing. Now the message digest need to be safe from change, means this will be not modified at the time of traveling the network. That one is again next concept, we will know about this, but the basic concept how to verify the particular message is not modified, that one is with the help of hash function. Hash function generate the message digest, and we verifies or we check the integrity of message. It's a modified message is modified. If the message is modified, the integrity is break. If the message is not modified, it's original message, then we can say that integrity is maintained. Cryptographic hash function criteria, or it may be the, we will go with the how exact. This is the current message, hash function generate the current digest, then previous digest means a received digest. We can say that this part received digest, this is received, this is created one. If it is equal, yes, message is not changed. If it is not equal, no, then message is changed, discard the message. Okay, this is simple, the concept behind the hash function and message digest. Now this one is related only the checking the message integrity, Now we'll go with the message authentication. Message authentication done with the, there is a message authentication way. Then the first is a message detection modification detection code. Modification detection code means what? That one is simply the, this one is only related to the message integrity. Now the concept is a message authentication. Then simply this message is given to the input to the hash function. It generates the message detection code. This message is sent to the second user with the insecure channel. Then this message detection code sent to the with a secure channel, and this Bob received this message. It gives the input to the hash function, same hash function, and generates its own MDC, message detection code. Received message detection code and generated message detection code are the same, then message is not modified. This message is not modified. If it is not, then reject that message. This is one way to modify a modification detection code. Which one is verifies that the message authentication is the authenticate message. Because of this MDC comes with some channel immune to the change, that one is a secure channel. That's why we can say that it's a authenticate. Now again one more method, that one is with the message authentication code. Message authentication code. Okay, it contains somehow the different way at the time of giving the input to the hash function. The it's not only a message, it come with the key also. Okay, means the combination of input is a message and the key. Definitely both, if both user know the key, then the particular hash is generated is equal. That hash called as a message authentication code. If the key and because of that key, we can say that is a authenticate message, because of that message, which one is hash value or the message digest or message authentication code is generated because of this key. If it is again generated same, then we can say that that message is authenticated because of this key, because of Bob know the key and Alice also know the key. That is the concept behind the message authentication code. We'll just to explain this, message gives to the message and key gives to the hash function. It generates a MAC. It's called MAC because of it additional with the key. In previous hash function generate the message digest. Why this is called as the MAC? Because of it added with some additional input is a key. That's why it's named with a different message authentication code. But ultimately that is the message digest or the hash value. Now this MAC and this message combinedly sent to the second user with the insecure channel. Then second user receives the message, gives the input to the hash value. The particular user knows that key. It's a previously shared, or it may be that one is again the different way to share this key. Then it generates its own MAC. Received message authentication code is same as a generated. Then that message is authenticate message with a proper message integrity. Then if it is not, then reject that message. Particular message is modified. Okay, message integrity is not maintained, right? Because of unauthorized, it may be unauthorized user modified that message, or it may be unintentionally modified this message when the particular message travel from the network. That is simply the concept behind the message integrity and message authentication. Definitely message authentication contains a message integrity verification, right? As this example. Thank you.